Hello everyone, I am Aniket Wankhede. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic body cavity and their essential functions in human anatomy. What are the body cavity? Body cavity is a fluid filled space inside the body uh, that protects internal organs. These cavities are lined with specialized membrane and play crucial role in maintaining organ integrity. There are two major body cavities present in the human body, so are ventral cavity and dorsal cavity. Ventral cavity is a this is ventral cavity is the cavity which is located as front of the body or anterior part of the body. Uh, it contains organs like lung, heart, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, reproductive organ. It's allow the changes in organ size and shape during their functions. Dorsal cavity. Dorsal cavity located backside of our body, such as brain and spinal cord. And these ventral and dorsal cavity further subdivided into various subcategories such as thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, and then cranial cavity and spinal cavity. In in thoracic cavity, uh, in thoracic thin thoracic cavity, uh, it is thoracic cavity is located in the chest. It contains lungs and heart. The thoracic cavity holds the lungs, uh, and and the and also in thoracic cavity there is a pericardial cavity, which is a house of the heart. The function of thoracic cavity is protect and support the respiratory and cardiovascular system. And then there is a abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity located in a lower half of the body. Uh, is Abdominal cavity contains organs such as spleen, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, liver, and intestine. Uh, then there is a pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity is a house of reproductive organs, bladder, and rectum. Function of pelvic cavity protects digestive, excretory, and reproductive organs. Then is a carnial cavity. Carnial cavity located within the skull. Uh, it is a house of the brain. Uh, the function of carnial cavity is protect. It's provide protection for the brain. Uh, in carnial cavity, there is a presence of fluid cerebrum fluid. Uh, then there is a spinal cavity. Location of spinal cavity is a the spinal cavity runs within the vertebral column. It the, in spinal cavity the content is it contains spinal cord. The function of spinal cavity is to safeguard of spinal cord. Let's discuss about some common diseases related to the body cavity. Peritonesis. Peritonesis is the inflammation of the peritoneum, the membrane that lies the inner abdominal wall and enclosed organ within the abdomen. Symptoms of peritoneum is abdominal pain, bloating, fever and chill, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, fatigue, etc. Uh, causes Causes of peritoneum are bacterial or fungal infection, peritoneal dialysis site infection. Um, uh, prevention of the peritoneum from peritoneal disease is proper hygiene during peritoneal dialysis and from treatment underlying condition. And then there is another disease is meningitis. Meningitis is the inflammation of the meninges, the membrane that protect the brain and spinal cord inside their cavity. Symptoms: severe headache, high fever, sensitivity to light, nausea, vomiting. It causes due to viral infection, bacterial infection. Uh, there is a dizziness, abdominal conditions, such various conditions of affecting abdominal cavity can cause pain and discomfort. Example: kidney stone, pancreatitis, and uh, appendix. In summary, body cavities serve as protective sanctuaries for our vital organ, allowing them to function harmoniously.